All right, so we need to convert 32 fluid ounces to cups. So we have 32 fluid ounces. That's what we know. So what we know goes up here, 32, and we're just gonna put fluid ounces, okay? It's okay if it goes off the box. All right, so, and I'll make it bigger for you guys too. It's good. And we always put it over 1. All right, so now we have to convert to cups. So what we're trying to get to has to go on top. We're trying to get to cups. So I'm just going to put a C, and what we know has to go on the bottom, fluid ounces. So we go to our conversion table or our chart, and we're going from fluid ounces to cups. Well, there's 8 fluid ounces in 1 cup. So, and I'll even get my box ready there so I can drag it so everyone can see it. We'll make it my blue. So 1 cup equals 8 fluid ounces. So 1 cup equals 8 fluid ounces. So now that we know that, we can cross our fluid ounces out. So this fluid ounces is gone. This fluid ounces is gone. So now we have just cups left over. So now we multiply across. 32 times 1, 32. 1 times 8 is 8. And we know that a fraction means to divide. So we have to do 32 into 8. So we ask ourselves, how many times does 8 go into 3? Well, it's 0 times. So we can put a 0 below and then subtract. And we get 3 minus 0 is 3. So now we have to bring down that 2. And we have 2, 32. So now we're going to ask ourselves, how many times does 8 go into 32? Well, 8, 16, 24, and then 32. So 4 times. So we put a 4, and that would give us 32. We subtract them. Oops, we don't want to move that. I have to erase these arrows. 32 minus 32 is 0. So our answer is 4. So we have 4, and I'm going to get rid of that text box so you guys won't need that. So we have 4 cups. All right, so that's your practice continuing.